Saving a premium tree species. What tree is this? Introducing Calanthus, Tuna calanthus of the family Meliaceae. The genus name tuna comes from the Malay word tuna, which refers to a type of tree. The species name Calanthus derives from the Tagalog word Calanthas, which refers to the tree in the Philippines. Calanthas is found throughout Southeast Asia, in Indonesia, Malaysia, and the Philippines. Calanthas is considered a premium species, is listed as vulnerable, and needs to be saved from cutting. Calanthas is generally a straight in cylindrical bole tree that attains a maximum height of 40 to 50 meters in a diameter of 120 to 150 centimeters, but usually it is smaller. It has a wide spreading crown and is relatively open. The wood is used for general construction, furniture in cabinet making, boat planking, mining timbers, boxes, crates, utensils, veneer, plywood making, and pulp and paper making. This is Marx. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.